the Great Flood, survivors wandered, seeking a new home. They found the plain of Shinar, a fertile land calling. United in fear, they vowed not to scatter again. A bold leader emerged, dreaming of a grand city. They decided to build a tower reaching the heavens. Workers gathered bricks and tar, working with joyful unity. Families bonded over shared labor, dreams of eternal fame. The tower grew tall, a symbol of human pride. God watched from above, seeing their hearts full of ego. He knew their unity was for self-glory, not his. In heaven, God decided to confuse their single language. Suddenly, words twisted, and friends couldn't understand each other anymore. A builder shouted orders, but his team heard gibberish. Arguments erupted, unity shattered by invisible walls of words. Families who once laughed now stared in bewilderment. The great tower stalled, bricks left unused and cold. Groups formed by new languages, strangers in their midst. Fear and sadness spread as they prepared to leave. Scattered across the earth, they built new lives apart. A young builder reflected on the folly of pride. He remembered the joy of unity, now lost forever. God's sovereignty shone, human plans failed without his blessing. The Ziggurat stood as a warning of arrogance's end. In their scattering, diverse cultures and languages were born. Unity can build or destroy. Choose wisely with humility. The builder asked himself, how can I honor God? He vowed to use his skills for good, not fame. God's lesson echoes. Serve with gifts that glorify him. Today, remember, Babel, pride falls, but faith unites eternally. Use your talents to build God's kingdom, not your own. The story of Babel teaches humility and divine wisdom. Let this tale inspire you to seek God's will. In unity with God, true strength and purpose arise. Reflect, how will you use your gifts today?